How to change language in CapCut. Struggling to change language in CapCut? Don't worry, I have got you covered. In this quick video, I'll be showing you how to do it in simple, easy way. First, open CapCut. Now, once you're in, tap on Edit. Now, tap on your profile and go to the settings at the top right corner. Tap on it. Here you can see the app language as it is set to English, as you can see here. Now in order to change the language, tap on it. From here you will get many options. Scroll down until you find your desired language. For now, let me just keep it to English. Now, but if you want to keep to other language, just select it from here. Once you select it, tap on done and your CapCut will be changed to the same language. That's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more video tips. Thank you for watching.